Hello everyone, welcome to Fvr-Multi. In today's video tutorial, I am going to show you guys how to use the vysor. And before going to video, small introduction about vysor. Vysor puts your Android screen on your computer desktop, and it does so without using a data connection, but over a USB cable. You need to install the vysor and connect your Android device to the computer using USB cable. So okay guys, now we go to see the video. You just download the vysor app, go to vysor official website, download and install the vysor app. Run the vysor application. Now we give the firewall access to allow the features of vysor. Windows user need to install the ADP driver. You just click the link, it directly redirected to website. You just download and install the ADP driver. Follow the instruction one by one. Now you connect your Android device using USB cable and enable the USB debugging in your phone. Now we go to see how to enable USB debugging option in Redmi phone. Open your phone setting and click about phone, and you just triple tap your MIUI version. Now developer option is enabled. Go back and go to additional settings. Scroll down. Just click developer option and enable USB debugging option. And click OK. Now your phone is connected. You just click the view option. Now we try to install vysor app in your Android phone. So you enable APK install via USB cable option. Now you cast your Android device on desktop. Connect your Android device via wirelessly. You just enable Pro option in vysor. Thank you for watching, guys. Do subscribe for regular updates. Like பண்ணுங்க, share பண்ணுங்க, subscribe பண்ணுங்க.